guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing lovely as always. And as you have read from the title, we are doing a full face of She Glam makeup. I hope you are excited. Take a cup of coffee, tea, whatever you like, and let's dive into this makeup right away. I know, guys, I have been MIA for quite some time now, and rest assured, I'm back with a few exciting videos for you guys. The reason I was MIA is because I recently lost my father, and I was not in a proper headspace to make a video. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoy this video, and let's quickly dive in. I have a few products right here with me, and I hope you guys are as excited as I am to try all of these products. Some are new, some I've already used before. For the first product right here, we have the She Glam Complexion Stick. It's a beautiful, beautiful product. It blends beautifully. It's just everything a girl needs in a bottle. I don't know what shade I am in, but I will definitely link it down below for you guys to check it out. Take a flat brush and take a little product. I mean, do I need any words? I went for a little darker shade this time so that it matches my undertone, and also I don't have to do color correction. So that's the reason why I went for a little darker tone, but turns out it works beautifully. I love the finishing of this product. I am totally in love. Let's see what She Glam has to offer more. I'm so excited now. Done with my foundation, I am now going to use the She Glam Complexion Stick. This is how the stick looks, and I'm just going to use under my eyes. One thing that I want to tell about the foundation is that you have to work quickly with this foundation. This is a very drying foundation. For all the dry skin girls, I would recommend you to use a thick moisturizer, and then you can go ahead with the foundation. If you are someone who does not have heavy dark circles or pigmentation, you can skip concealer as well. This gives beautiful coverage, so you are good on that note. Now let's do brows. I'm very excited for brows because this is something that I've not tried before. This is the Brush and Dip Brow Definer. I don't know how this is going to work. Let's try this out together. I've not used this before. It just says that push and dip. I don't know how. I have to dip to get in the product. I hope I've not dipped in too much. Oh, I think I have. Okay, this is how it looks. It's a gel for sure. Like, it's a liquid gel. Okay, it's smudge proof. That's good. But I don't know how much is going to work on my eyebrows, and it's very thick, and I want something very precise to work with my eyebrows. Guys, just don't buy this product. It did nothing to my brows. Just don't buy this product. That's all. I don't want to spoil my brows. I'll just do my brows and be right back. The next product, we have Snatch and Define Stick. This is a contour stick. I have not used this stick before. This is how it looks. This is the swatch for you guys. It looks pretty pigmented. Now let's try it. I will not draw straight on my face. What I'll do is I'll just take a brush, just a flat angular brush, and take the product on the brush and then tap it. Okay, I need to see this. To be honest, I cannot see the product on my face a lot. It's not very pigmented. If you who are new to makeup and who wants to use a contour stick, this would be the great choice because it's not heavily pigmented, but it's not that it doesn't show the product as well. I think this is okay. Like, this is a okay product, But for me, I personally wouldn't reach out more to this. But yeah, it's a very subtle contour, to be honest. Now we'll move forward to blush, everyone's favorite. I have three different kind of blushes right here. This is the She Glam Love Cake blush. This is Divine Flush Matte Blush, and this is Cheek Color Jam. So this is three type of different blushes. I'm very excited to use everything because this is my favorite blush. I really like using this blush, but this is not that long lasting, I have to be honest. This, on the other hand, is a powder blush. It's not a liquid blush. This is how it looks. I know it looks very beautiful, and this is something that I've not used before, and it's my first time using. And this is a Cheek Color Jam. The pigmentation of this blush is mind blowing. And on the right hand side, I'm going to use the She Glam Cheek Jam. On the left hand side, I'm going to use the liquid blush. Let me know which is your favorite and which one you like. Let's start with the jam. I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and dip it in. This blush in itself is very pigmented. I will also show. This is the color. It looks really pretty and it's a very soft. I love this blush so much. But both the blush, the colors are different. I have to later fix it. That's what I've realized now. Please let me know in the comment section below which one is your favorite blush and which other products you want me to try. I would love to try it for you guys. On the other side, let's try the She Glam Love Cake. This is in the shade Love Cake, and this is how it looks. They're totally different shades, as you can see, but let's try to make it work. Low on blush. This blush is more of a soft glam. It gives you, freshness from within, if you can see. But on the other side, this blush is like very on your face. So it's on you which one you like or which side you prefer. To be honest, I love both and I cannot choose. I'm sorry. Because both the blushes, the performance is good. But the only problem with this one is that you'll have to reapply. But with this one, you honestly don't need to reapply it more often. Now let's quickly move to setting our face. For setting our face, I have got the She Glam Insta Ready powder. This is this is two in one. One is a pressed powder and the other is a loose powder. This is a pink loose powder and this is how it looks. Let's try this powder together. I'm going to use the loose powder to set my under eyes. I'm just going to tap off the excess. It's a very fine powder, I can say that for sure. Actually, not bad. It actually did a very good job in setting my under eyes. Wow, I'm impressed. Apart from the eyebrows, I don't think we've had a setback. So that's really good. Also going to set the rest of my face with the same loose powder. And it actually looks very matte. Product is really a hit for me. It's a very fine powder. Even though it's a pink color powder, I really thought that it will give me like a gray undertone, but as you can see, it looks really beautiful even on my skin. I'm on a brown skin girl, so this is highly approved by me. Go ahead, you can buy this product. You'll be really happy. And eyes, we have a few products right here. These are two eyeliners and two eyeshadow palettes that I have. For eyeshadow, I have actually two palettes. This is the She Glam Cloud 9 palette. These are the shades. It's really pretty shades. This is a watercolor palette. So this product will only activate if you add water. So I'm going to start with this palette. I'm going to start with my inner corners first. One thing about this particular eyeshadow palette is that there is a lot of fallout. There's a lot of fallout, as you can see. I'm also going to use a little bit of brown eyeshadow here. purple, I'm also going to use it under my eye. Let's try the eyeliner. I'm going to put a little bit of glitter as well, but before that I want to use the eyeliner. Done with my eyeliner, and this is how it looks. I honestly thought I would smudge it a little. It turns out it's smudge proof eyeliner gel, so joke's on me. Nor what happen and move forward to adding glitter to the eye. Time I will also do the other eye and be right back. I'm going to use this one on the center of my eyes. I'm done with my eye look, and this is how it has turned out. Let me know in the comment section if you like it. Let's now move on to mascara. This is the SheGlam Lash Bestie 2-in-1 mascara. So the wand is like this, and once you open the mascara, you have another opening right here. I don't much believe in this mascara, but let's try it out. I'll quickly just curl my eyelashes. Curl my eyelashes. You can't still see my eyelashes, guys, because I don't have much. I want to use both the wands, and then I want to give like my final judgment on this. I don't want to speak too soon. Honest opinion, it's not that bad. Like, I really did not expect it to be good. I know that you cannot see my eyelashes like up front, but it shows. In this eye look, I know my eyelashes just with the mascara is not going to show any which ways, but this is honestly not that bad of a mascara for the price that I'm paying. It's good. Like, it's an everyday mascara. It's not a glam mascara, but it's an everyday mascara. Glam eyelashes in Tokyo. I'm excited to try this eyelashes because they look so pretty. I have no words how pretty they look. So let's try it out. Overly dramatic, yet pretty, yet subtle. Now I don't know how they're going to look on my eyes, so let's find out. This is how the eyelashes look. Turns out it's a bit dramatic, but I love it anyway. They're very nice. The quality is also not bad, to be honest, and that's how it looks. We also have lipsticks. For lipstick, I have a lip liner actually. It's a simple brown lip liner. Let's see how the liner works. Honestly, it's a little difficult to work with this lip liner. The pigment is good. The pigment on the back of my hand is good. It's very rough. Like, I have to put pressure. If I do it with a light hand, it will not come. See? So, if I were you, I would skip this. I also have a lipstick and a lip liner duo, so let's try that out. It's much better, guys. Much better than the actual lip liner, I must say. The lipstick also on the other side. So we also have a bullet lipstick, so I'm going to try that for you guys. This is the packaging and the shade. Pretty shade, I must say, not bad. This is the makeup look that I have created with full face of SheGlam. I also have the blush. Ooh, it's pigmented. That's why I always like to use a liquid blush, and then I use the powder blush on top. It makes such a huge difference, you guys. Complete makeup look that we have created, and I hope you like this. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell icon right beside it to never miss a video from my end. And I'll be coming up with more such videos for you guys. Love you.